Hello, it's Kathy with Utah DIY Wedding. I'm also admin for this group, Utah Wedding Yard Sale. I'm out in Mapleton. I just had a wedding set up and I just wanted to kind of show you this cute decor and venue. We're at a place called the Scoma barn. They only really rent it to friends and family type thing. It's gorgeous though. Look at this cute little barn. And I've tagged the location also in this video. But here is the outside area. It's got some lights, lots of really cute little seating here. They're actually doing a s'mores bar that they're going to set up here on the fire pit. It's got a cute little pond. They've rented my yard game, so they've got the cornhole set up right here. Over here are my new pedestal tables. These have been wildly popular this year as people have moved away from barrels. And people love them. So here's one of our, this apparently is where they're going to have the drinks and the sweets. One of my signs, friends don't let friends go thirsty. And one of my signs, love is sweet, please take a treat. And here it is on one of the pedestal tables. Over here against the fence, they've got my 4-foot tall love marquee letters. It's really bright here right now, so I'm having a hard time seeing my screen. But what a cute little venue it is. And also there's a pond right here. And I gave them some of my floating candles so they could throw floating candles out there when it gets darker. Cute little patio and stuff here. We're going to walk into the barn now. The tables and chairs are all by Rent Event Utah. Adam Nelson tagged him in this. But here's the venue. There's the mother of the bride doing last minute details. They've got their centerpieces here on the floor that they're doing. Hexagons with full terrariums in them. And then they've got some of my big terrariums over there. These shutters were here, so they're going to be putting pictures on them. And this is going to be kind of a little photo booth area.
Oh, Peyton, I have a job
I'm doing a live
for you.
video. Just a minute. Anyway, we're back. It kind of, sometimes I have problems with connectivity. But they've got, this is one of their pieces, but this is where they're going to have pictures and stuff so they can take pictures and put them up there as selfie station. Look at this though. Here's one of my spools, and this is where they're doing their signing and stuff. Then here's my Tabletop Hexagon. Anyway, it's on this piece, the background piece though, that is part of the barn. It covers some water barrels back there, cute way to do it. It's my Tabletop Hexagon. This is included at no charge in any collection. And they just put some decor and stuff on it. Over here was a dresser that was included with the venue. So they're doing gifts on it. And here's my honeycomb wall that everybody loves. And they're just using it for general decor. But look how cute it is up here. And let's swing around. And look how pretty this is. I love these chairs from Rent Event Utah. And then this barn has on the poles, they put floral pieces. They've got bark vases. Those are my bark vases. They have some too. And they just put some greenery and a few flowers. A few flowers here at the end. And here's an arch. This is fresh florals on this arch. Of course, those are not mine. But the macrame is. And they took a couple of my large lanterns. Isn't that a pretty picture? Over here is where they're putting the cake. They have one of my big signs, a big spool, and a tree that came with it, so they decorated it. Over here, they have a fireplace. And those letters on top, the Marry Me, those are my letters. And they also used, I have a lot of sheds. So they've got their sheds up there. That little macrame piece is mine. The candle holders are theirs, but those candles are mine, along with the candles on this little candelabra. That cute little place here. I believe that this is going to be the head table. And so they've gotten the greenery from Costco. Costco has different greeneries. Some I like, some I don't. This is the one I like. And this little love sign is one of mine. And it actually even lights up. But simple, beautiful for a head table. But it's always fun. I love it when I get to come on site and look at these weddings. It's a beautiful, cute little venue. And oh, they have this hutch here too. You know, I always tell people you're welcome to take some extra decor, because a lot of times venues and places have things that you can decorate. So here they put one of my Mr. and Mrs. signs and more sheds. This is actually some of my faux greenery that they actually used on it, and a couple of my candles. Picture the bridal couple and the little greenery, so it all works. But we'd love to help you. $3.95 gives you complete decor. Everything you saw today was included for $3.95. That was my pieces. We'd love to help you. I'll put a link in the comments where you can book an appointment. Have a great day.